Hey folks, Matt from Tradie Web Guys here. I'm just going to show you how you can check your form submissions, web form submissions, from within your dashboard. It's a good habit to do this. Sometimes, through various reasons, APIs can break with integrations and email settings coming through places like SendGrid, Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, so on and so forth. And so it's good to keep a finger on the pulse. And you can actually check all of the entries, all of the form entries within your website. It's very rare that someone will submit a form on a website and the form entry won't be captured. The break is normally the integration or sending those responses on to whoever the recipient is of that email, which is normally the service manager or whatever it might be. It's pretty rare that it does happen, but the way that you can, it's a good idea to put it in your calendar maybe once a week or on a Friday or something. Just jump in and make sure that all of the form submissions have been actioned. So I'm just going to show you how you do it from within your WordPress dashboard here. You'll notice there's a little tab which says Forms. This is the Gravity Forms section. So you can click on that button in the tab there, and it will take you to all the forms that you've currently got set up. And within this navigation, you can see there is actually a button which says Entries, and by clicking on the Entries button, you can see all of the form submissions that have been sent through. And then you can essentially cross-reference them with the with whatever you've received within your inbox to make sure that you are receiving them. I'm just going to put in here a little entry date just so that we know what date that has come from. So we can see the date there. So yeah, we can see basically all these form submissions. So that's basically how you do that. Of course, you can do that with each individual form. If I go down to this one, same again, click on Entries. Again, I might just drop the date into this field here just so that we can see when this has been sent through. And then that'll give you an indication straight away, basically, where they've come from. So yeah, hopefully that was helpful.